Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do an ombre and freehand Halloween night nail design. So I'm going to use yellow by Simple Colors called Yellow Yellow, orange by OPI called Down to the Corral, purple by Pro Nail Lacquer called Spellbound, and blue by Simple Colors called Hotspot. So I'm going to apply all those colors onto a clean makeup sponge. I like doing this design. I love doing this for Halloween especially. I like the bottom of my nails to be light and the top of my nails to be dark, kind of like, the sun going down and stuff. And this is my color, combo, my go-to. I always love doing this, and I love how this design came out. Now, it took me a while to do it because the colors didn't stick on as dark as I wanted it to. And I have to say, I wasn't really crazy with this ombre, but I loved the whole look once I was done with it. But it did take me a few times to get it done. I just didn't want to bore you with a whole bunch of ombre doing it over and over again. I didn't want to bore you with it, so I just showed you a couple of times. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex and then I applied a quick dry top coat so I have a more smoother surface to create the freehand nail design. So I love how this came out. I have to say, I'm not trying to sound negative. I did love this whole look. Then using a thin nail brush, I'm going to apply black acrylic paint. I wanted to show you guys I do know how to use a nail brush. And I'm going to do kind of like, it's more of a silhouette. The whole look is like a silhouette look to this design. So I just did the ground and then I did the little tombstone with a little cross, and then I drew the tree inside. Now, this design is really fun. I did love how this came out. The tree doesn't have to be like a perfect looking tree. It could look really creepy and like it's dying. That's what I wanted. Something really simple and easy. I didn't want to, I'm not really good at doing like, really specific designs. So that's why I did it like this, and I wanted to show you something really simple and easy. And I just drew in some little bats in the background just flying in the air, and I used white polish just to kind of highlight the look, so it wouldn't be so black. Then on my other nail, I used white nail polish to create the moon. So what I did was I kind of did a half moon look, and I painted it in, and then I added some gray inside of the white because the moon is not necessarily all white. So I wanted to kind of give it like a little gritty look to it. And then I used white polish on top of that just to blend it all together. This is a really quick and easy way to do a moon design. I love how it came out. It was really pretty how this moon design came out. Then I'm just going to draw in a couple of branches of a tree, making it look really like creepy and, like if you're looking at it from the ground up. And I love how this little tree came out. It was really cute. Then I'm going to draw kind of a silhouette of a witch. Now, don't mind the way I did this design. The witch did not come out as I wanted it to, but it's a silhouette, so you can do it any which way you want to. I'm not really crazy about how the witch came out, but in the picture, it came out really cute. So, I don't know. This is just my way of doing it. It's my first time doing it on camera. I usually do it, witch design, I take a picture of it. This is the first time I did it on camera, so please don't try to, kill me for it. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. It's really cute and perfect for Halloween. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.